Sellers to be successful, they need marketing to provide them with killer, high quality, highly relevant case studies. So success stories of existing clients, but case studies and success stories that talk about problems that were solved and results that were achieved, not products or services that were deployed. Now, I know that's difficult because often our end customers don't want to talk about their own dysfunction before they met us as a vendor, solution provider, partner, and then the positive results they had. And then the frustration for marketing is sales go, where are all these things? And yet it's really sales that have got those cold-face relationships that can actually provide those assets. So marketing assets, things like battle cards, things like case studies, references, killer slide decks. Often the inmates are running the asylum in how the brand is represented as we go to market. But closing the loop with all of those things. I'm actually board chair of a company called Live Prezzo, and what they do is they automate the presentation of data to customers or prospective customers. And they're basically using templates, but pulling real-time data out of the back-end systems in the organization so that there's brand consistency in a way that you give sellers back their time. So if marketing's doing those things, and then marketing can not just attribute their activities to MQLs that then convert to revenue, but maybe marketing can then link and get attributed to win rates on deals, for example, right? Because if those things are done well, win rate should definitely go up.
Tony, the easiest way to solve that chasm would be for us simply to go back as like market validation of catalogued account as the measure, because then you would see sales stimulating the market, handing that through templated data to marketing. And from those, you'll see which ones of those become live active deals from the information that you've stirred up from the market, whether that's 3, 6, 9 months now, or whether that's 12, 24 months later. You'll have a direct line from sales, market, collection, marketing working on the collection of that data to build something to get to a presentation day or a live quoting day or a demo day if you were talking US SaaS. That would be much easier to measure, and we wouldn't need to worry about these mass MQLs and worry about like straight line attribution or wobbly line attribution, because it would be simplified and unified across the funnel. Like we could even then give that information ahead of time to customer success and say, here's the circuit of what's going to happen, here's where to expect it, here's what they expect, here's where we're working on it, here's what they've said. But that's not what we see.
Yeah, and Adam, that activity from marketing would be basically also putting organizations that aren't in a buying window yet into lead nurturing market development cycles.